Hi everyone, we are going to be talking about lesson 21, which is triangles. Let's see, triangles, rectangles, squares, and circles. There are a lot of great things to learn about these shapes. First off, we know what a circle is, but let me give you the official definition for a circle. A circle, I'm going to write this over here and I want you to write it down in your notes too. A circle is a closed, curved shape in which all points on the shape are the same distance from the center. Now, this is not a perfect circle by any means, but if you look at this, we go from here, this is the same distance here, 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 same distance here. You get the point. So, really awesome. The next thing is when you are drawing circles, you can use a special tool called a compass. And it's a tool that goes, you plunk it down in the center and then it has a pencil that comes out and you go around and you can create a perfect circle. If you want to try this at home, take and have somebody stand on a piece of string and tie a piece of sidewalk chalk to the end of the string. And then while they're standing on the string, pull out the one end of the string, you take and tie the sidewalk chalk to the other end and then go around, the person standing, and you will have a perfect circle. Really fun. Let me write this down. So we use a compass to make a circle. I'm going to scroll up here. Now, our next one is if you look up at this little circle that I drew, we have the center point, and then when it goes out, this is known as the radius. I think of the sun and how it radiates light, it sends out light. So you think about the center, and then these are the radius. It's this going from the center out to the edge. And so let's write this down. We'll write radius. And like I say, I think of it radiating light. Radius. It's the distance from the center, center of the circle to the edge of the circle. And interestingly, these are all the same distance. Pretty slick. Now, the next point, I'm going to scroll up and we're going to look at this circle right here. Do you see how we've got, this is our radius. When we go radius and then we go radius, we end up getting this diameter. Let's write that up and let's write this down. The diameter is the two radiuses that go all the way through the circle. The distance across, let me get that done, through the center, it equals 2 radii, which is weird. Radius, when you get 2 of them, you call them radii. Okay. Now, we've also got to talk about triangles. So that's on circles. Will you please make sure that you pay close attention to what a diameter means and what a radius means? Because Saxon math tests are famous for throwing in, I've got to turn off my pen. Famous for throwing in this stuff and trying to trick you on diameter and radius. So file it away, keep it handy. Okay. Now, I'm going to go here and erase just a little. Okay, our next point is we are going to start talking about triangles. All triangles are not the same. The thing they have in common is they do have 3 sides, but we have some special triangles. When we have all triangles the same length, I think of these as like triplets that are all the same. So we're going to have one length. When they're all the same length, these are called equilateral triangles. And I think of them, I put them, let's see, I've got to move my thing. I like to think of these guys as little triplets because they're all identical. Now, when you have a rectangle, let's see. When you have a rectangle who all sides are the same length, let's think about that. Let's draw a rectangle. All sides are the same length. What does that look like to you? Yeah, you're right. It is a square. And finally, draw a rectangle that is 3 centimeters long and 2 centimeters wide. You will need to take a ruler, and unfortunately, I'm going to eyeball this. This is 3, let's see, I'm going to erase that. I do not like that, how that looks. Okay. Okay, okay, here is 3 centimeters, and you take your ruler, start and count 1, 2, 3. And then we want it 2 centimeters wide. 1, 2, and then we'll go 3 centimeters. 1, 2, 3. Yep, there we go. And there is our rectangle. So there you have it. We've talked today about triangles, rectangles, squares, and circles. Good luck on the homework. If you have any problems, let me know. I wish you well. Take care.